Welcome to Author Guide. Safety, like we always say, is not tagged to a particular set of people. Therefore, at Auto Experts, we spread our messages through different means and language. On today's episode, we have Mr. Wasiu Jimo Olarewaju, and it takes us through the process of wheel alignment and tire balancing.
Orúkọ mi ni Wasiu Jimoh Ọlárẹ̀wájú. Tí a bá fẹ́ ṣe alignment, a máa kọ́ gbé machine sí bíbá iná. A ṣẹ́ẹ̀kì ẹsẹ̀ báyìí. A gbé machine lé síbí. A gbé kejì náà sí ẹsẹ̀ rẹ̀ báyìí. So àwa wo alignment yẹn. A ti wo alignment yẹn sí, alignment yẹn ò wá okay.
This is how we carry out an alignment. When you drive your car in, we place the machine on both tires to check the legs through the machine, and we realize the result is wrong. We check the tie rod and the ball joint too, and if they are not adequate, you cannot carry out the alignment. If we don't check all this, the alignment will not be accurate. The first place to check is underneath the vehicle and make sure it's all okay. Take a look at the tie rod and ball joint, shake it and do the same for the other side. If it's all good, then the alignment can begin. After adjusting the under, start the engine, then start turning the steering, that is the tires. Place the alignment machine again after you turn the tires to see if it's all aligned. And if it's not, go through the process all over again.
Bí bá sì lọ adjust ẹ, ká gbé kó tí correct ní báyìí. A tún láti padà lọ sábẹ́ ẹ, tún lọ adjust ẹ again. Tá bá tún adjust ẹ, a tún lọ yí sáàrin yẹn wò. A tún wá wò, a tún gbójú síbẹ̀, a tún wò.
After all that, we go back under the vehicle and tighten the tie rod and other part that was loosed. They have to be well tightened, because if not, it could lose or shift and the alignment won't be complete. How to know your tires need an alignment? Your tires will start to tread on one side or it will start pulling to the left. Sometimes pulling to the left can have to do with ball joint, bushing and side rack. So if you come to us, we'd ask you to go to a mechanic first to fix your ball joint, bushing and etc. Because if not, the alignment will not be effective. Cars like Camry and Nissan mostly needs alignment, and some cars don't, because some cars don't have tie rod at the back, and those ones are not easy to repair like the ones with tie rod at the back. Some vehicles can start shaking, that means they need tire balance, so we help them remove the tire and balance them. When we want to do a wheel balance, we check the inside, remove the rim, that is the alloy. When you remove all, you place the tire on the computer, set the computer and get it working. Set the computer and check out for the numbers. Check the numbers of the tires, that is the rim, then type it on the machine. Start the machine, and any number the machine gives, you place the weight and put super glue on it too. Then roll the machine again. When it gives you 00, it will give you a back and forth sign, which will mean it's not good. But if it spins well like it's doing right now, it's good. If the tires are also shaking, it could mean the tires need wheel balancing. That's it on Auto Guide. Enjoy the rest of the program.